guys, welcome to another video. So you Madam Glam lovers out there, yous will already know what time of the month it is, because it is the 4th, which means it's time for Madam Glam's new monthly gel polish collection. Whoop whoop. So this new September collection is called Amber Shift, and it's got some gorgeous colours in here, guys. We've got 4 cat eyes. So these are the beautiful cat eyes. Look at those colours. Gorgeous. And then we've got these 4 creamy colours. Again, also very gorgeous. Proper autumny colours these, aren't they? I'm actually quite excited to be getting some autumn designs done, actually. So for anyone that hasn't heard of Madam Glam before, just a little bit about their gels. So you get 15ml in these bottles. You've always got your swatch in the lid. Ingredients on the back. They cure for 60 seconds in an LED light, 2 minutes in a UV light. They're vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free formula and Hema-free. So they are an amazing formula for people who suffer with allergies and things when using nail products. Madam Glam have an amazing formula. So, like I normally do, guys, we're going to give all these gels a swatch today. Take a look at the colours. I'll start off with the 4 creamy ones first, and then we'll do the cat eyes after. I won't swatch these in real time though. I'll speed the swatching up and pop a little bit of music on, and then I'll top coat them all off camera, and we'll come back and take a look at them all. So the first one I'm going to start off with is Muted Monday. Ooh, guys, I just want to show you very quickly. So, these gel polishes have got my favourite brushes in. You see, they've got like an arch and they fit really, really nice in the cuticle areas. These make application so much faster. I love these brushes in these bottles. So, before I speed the swatching up, I just want to let you guys know that I have got a massive new 40% off discount code for you guys to use. So, if you do decide to place yourself an order, when you come to checkout, it will say enter coupon code. So if you pop GG40 in there, that will take 40% off your whole order. So if you do place an order, make sure you take full advantage of that, guys. Wow, I love how these Madam Glam gel polishes apply. They're so pigmented. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful shade of purple that is. It's like a kind of mauvey purple. Beautiful, isn't it? Proper autumny purple, that. And for one coat, full coverage. I love Madam Glam's formula. It's just a really nice formula to work with. So we're going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Next up, we have got Bordeaux Suit. Right, guys, so I shall now speed the swatching up. Pop a little bit of music on. Swatch these next 3 colours, the creamy colours, and then I'll top coat them off camera, and then we'll come back and take a look at the colours all together, and then we'll get the cat eyes swatched. So that is the 4 creamy ones all swatch, guys. So we've got Muted Monday, Bordeaux Suit, Mocha Moment, Caramel Full. Some real autumny colours they are, aren't they? I love this Muted Monday. That is my favourite one. Beautiful shade of purple, that. And that's what they look like, shiny. And then the bottom is what they look like in matte. Just so you can see what they look like, both matte and shiny. Yeah, I really like them. Really, really pretty colours. So, now it's time to swatch the cat eyes. The first cat eye we're going to swatch is Harvest Glow. So, with cat eyes, guys, what I like to do is I like to show you what they look like as a full cover colour first. This is beautiful. It's like a really pretty shimmery, like champagne gold, nearly silver. So that's what it looks like as a full cover colour. Really pretty. So I pulled the magnet out. I'm just going to bring that cat eye effect out. So that's what it looks like with the cat eye effect. Really pretty. And then what I like to do is now I like to do the viral cat eye heart trend on all my swatch sticks. And that is what it looks like with the viral cat eye heart trend. So I'm going to quickly pop that in the lamp to cure before the particles decide to move back. And we'll get on to the next colour now, guys. So this next one, I really like the look of this look. Ooh, I think this one's going to be really cool because it's got the 2 different very contrasting colours. So this one's called Golden Leaves. Again, like I did before, I'll speed the swatching up, pop a little bit of music on. I'll just do the exact same again, guys, show you what it looks like as a full cover colour, and then we'll take a look at it, what it looks like with the cat eye effect. Oh, this one is such a pretty, pretty colour. Just as a full cover colour, I like this. Very unusual. Very autumny as well. Look at that. I don't even know if you're going to get the full effect of that. So, 1 minute it looks like a deep pink. And then you bring it up and it's got a beautiful golden shift. Very, very pretty. Proper autumn leaves, that. Love it. And then we'll bring the cat eye effect out. And that really brings that gold out. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. Now, I'm not really happy with that heart, so what I do like about these cat eyes is, if you're not happy with how the cat eyes turned out, take the excess off your brush. You don't need no product on your brush. Just go back over it and that'll reset those particles. And you can do it again. Just like that. So we're going to bring the cat eye effect out. And then we're going to bring the heart. Just like that. So pretty. So we'll give that a cure for 60 seconds. So this one is called Smoky Elegance. Right guys, I'll let you get on and watch me swatch these last two. And then I'll give them all a top coat and then we'll come back and take a look at the colours all together. So guys, slight change of plan. I'm not going to pop a little bit of music on. I'm going to come over and do a little bit of a voiceover. Just because I wanted to apologise for the background noise over the last, say, minute or so. Little did I realise all the commotion that you can hear in the background outside, people shouting, pops and bangs. Some tramp has only gone and set light to one of my neighbour's vans. And those pops and bangs were the wheels and everything exploding. So once I'd finished recording the video, I looked outside the window and I couldn't believe what I saw. Like, nearly every single neighbour was out in the street. There was smoke everywhere. The fire engine was just pulling up as I looked out the window. It was absolute mayhem. I couldn't believe it. So yeah, I just want to apologise for the background noise, guys, because I didn't have a clue what was going on. I thought there was arguments or something outside. It was mental. Although they've made an absolute mess, no one was hurt. That's the main thing. And that picture in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen is the tragedy I woke up to this morning. R.I.P. van and two cars. And that is the cat eyes all swatch, guys. So we've got Harvest Glow, Golden Leaves, Smoky Elegance and Berry Bold. I really like these. I love that cat eye heart trend. I like doing all my swatches like that now. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. They look really cool, don't they? They look like they've got like LED heart ring light or something in them. So bright. This one's really cool. The way it's like got a deep pinky red and then a golden cat eye effect. I like how it's got the two contrasting colours. So that is the swatches all finished, guys. So there we are, guys. That is today's swatch video. And that is September's new gel polish collection. So these are available to buy right now on Madame Glam's website, guys. They was released today. So if you do want to place yourself an order, I'd suggest that you go on there as soon as possible before they sell out. If you're not interested in the whole collection, you can buy the individual colours as well. Remember, if you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to enter GG40 in at checkout, and that will take 40% off your whole order. Madame Glam do a VIP membership as well, guys, if anyone is interested in finding out more about that. If you click the Madame Glam website link pinned in my comments, that will take you straight over to the Madame Glam website. You'll find all the information that you need to on there. I am going to do a design this week using some of the colours out of this collection as well. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Click the notification bell and click all. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in seeing what I'm going to do with these gel polishes. And that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.